Hi guys, Judy Fine here from Online with Judy Fine. Today I'm going to answer a question that I get a lot, both from one-on-one students and from my Singer Athlete Online members. The question is, why do I have so many StillJaw exercises in our audio vocal exercise library? So I'm going to talk to you about why you want to do StillJaw exercises, because you do. I'm going to give you some tips on how to do them well. And then I'm going to leave you with snippets of two different vocal exercises. One uses a la without moving your jaw, and the other switches between e and ah without moving your jaw, so you can try it out yourself. If you find the information in this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're interested in finding more ways to improve your vocal chops, whether you want one-on-one lessons or you just want to know all of your DIY options, head over to onlinewithjudyfine.com and see what's there. Reach out to me with any questions that you have. All right, let's do this. Okay, why are StillJaw exercises so important? We talk all day long moving our jaws and it's not a problem. So why do I need to keep my jaw still when I'm doing vocal exercises? The answer is really simple. When you do any kind of weightlifting routine, what do? You isolate the muscles that you want to strengthen. It helps you make them stronger. We want to strengthen the muscles of your throat and your tongue. So we do that by isolating those muscles, and we isolate your muscles by not moving your jaw. That's the primary reason. One lesser reason, but still important, is that a lot of newer singers try to sing with their faces. Now, moving your face is really important. I recommend people lift up their lips in certain situations, change the shape of the mouth. But before any of that can really take effect in a way that's sustainable, because you're not straining too much, you have to develop tongue independence. You want to develop that first. So you want to be able to pronounce things, change sounds without moving your jaw, because then your tongue becomes stronger and more independent. So it's kind of the same as my first answer, but it is a solution to a different problem. If you're someone who sings with your face, with a lot of tension in your face and tension in your jaw, StillJaw exercises will force you not to do that. Another perk is that because this is all so relaxed, you're going to have no choice but to get your strength from your body. When you're getting your strength from your face, it's because you're not getting it from your body, so you have to get it from somewhere. So you stop getting it from up here, you stop pushing from up here, you're forced to push from your body. So how do you get the most out of StillJaw exercises? How do you keep your jaw still? In the beginning, you might need to hold it. La, 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 la. Jaw's not moving, just my tongue. It also helps to be aware that you're keeping your cheeks relaxed and your upper lip relaxed. If you're going like this, it's going to be much easier to move your jaw. So la, 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 la. That's one snippet of a song that of an exercise that you're gonna try in a minute. So relax cheeks, relax upper lip, relax neck and shoulders. This is where all the tension happens when we're trying too hard to sing with our faces. A good way to start, especially for the exercise that switches between the E and the ah sound, is to look in the mirror, hold your jaw if you need to, and just say E, ah, E, ah, E, ah. You'll notice what your tongue needs to do to make each sound, and then you let your tongue do that on its own without your jaw movement. In the beginning, your jaw is probably going to want to move because that's what you're used to doing when you speak. And your vowel sounds, especially the E, may not sound natural. That's because you haven't developed tongue independence yet. And if you just keep doing these exercises, you will. All right, so do these in front of a mirror, hold your jaw if you need to, and keep checking in that your cheeks and your upper lip are all relaxed. Try these two snippets of vocal exercises. Look in the mirror, keep your cheeks and your upper lip relaxed, hold your jaw if you need to, and work on your tongue independence and work on isolating the muscles of your throat and your tongue so that you can start yourself down the road to good quality technique, to low tension, and to using your body. All right, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section, or if you have any comments, put them in the comment section, or you can reach out to me through onlinewithjudyfine.com. Enjoy your little workout here, and I'll see you next time.
Okay, so your first warm-up on la. Nice big ribs, cheeks relaxed, upper lip relaxed, and la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Keep going. Here we go. Try to have nice big ribs, your cheeks are relaxed, and your upper lip is relaxed. Here we go. E up, ah down. E